Hello and welcome to this short tutorial. It's all about Telegram, how to download it, how to pair it with your computer so you can have a larger screen to view it on, and how to use it. So this is a phone app, and so you start with your phone. This is an Android phone. If you have a iPhone, it's going to be a little different. First thing you do is go to your Play Store, where you order apps, and then search for a Telegram Messenger. Now, be careful because sometimes the first thing you see is an ad. As you notice, Telegram is the second thing. It's the blue field with the white paper airplane in it. So I'm going to press the install, and you'll see that it doesn't take very long for this to install. And while it's installing, I'll tell you that we use Telegram. It's just like a text message, but the difference is you can make one message and then everyone in the group can go to that one message and see it, as opposed to sending a texting stream or a lot of emails that people usually don't open. So after you install it, you click open and you click on start messaging. And basically all you have to do is set it up with your name and address or your name and phone number, and allow it to use everything it needs to use to function. So it says allow Telegram to receive calls. That's a good function. Right now, Telegram Transact Card is only in the United States, but soon we will be an international company. So that's going to be coming real handy to make free phone calls around the world. So again, just allow everything. It automatically picked up my phone number. It may not for yours. So be sure and check the telephone number to verify it is correct. And I hit the arrow to continue. Allow it to read my call log. Yes, okay, I have to still allow. Now, on my phone, it's going to just grab the code that it sent. I didn't even have to enter it. And voila, we're in Telegram. So thank you for telling me you sent a code, but you grabbed it already. I don't need it. Okay. So now once you're in Telegram on your phone, I'll get notified that you have joined Telegram, and I'll add you to the group for Transact Card. It is the Z-Buck family. Okay. So when you see that Z-Bucks family, that means that you'll be getting notices about what's currently happening in the group. For instance, tomorrow is Super Saturday. We always have training every Saturday. It's going to be awesome. I have 3 of the top leaders in the company get ready to do it. You need to mark your calendars because this is an every Saturday event at 1:30. And there's the web address. It's a website. You don't have to put the www or anything, just transactcard.live. You need to join 20 to 30 minutes early because if it maxes out, then you have to go to Facebook to join. So all you have to do is just click on the link that says Z-Buck Family and read the messages and act accordingly. You can contact me if you need to. I'll be in the group. My name is Vanessa Harris, and you can just let me know if you need me. Now, to pair this with your computer, at the top, you'll either see the words Telegram or you'll see these 3 lines. That's your menu bar. So touch your menu bar and then look for settings. That's near the bottom, settings. Then you want to look for devices. So scroll to the bottom again and you'll see devices. Just above language, English. So devices. And you have a blue bar. That's a clue that that's an action needed. It says link desktop device. So when you press this blue bar, allow Telegram to take a picture, yes, while using this app. And what happens is it turns into a scanner. So what you want to do is you want to go to your computer and you want to, let me stop sharing this screen. And we're going to go to the computer. Now on the computer, you want to go to web.telegram.org. So you want to write that down because every time you get ready to go to the computer to see Telegram, you'll have to go to that address, web.telegram.org. Now, I already have it loaded on my computer, but let me show you what it looks like when you load it the first time. You get a screen that looks like this. And it says to do what I just told you to do. Go to settings, devices, and then link desktop devices. So now that you have that scanner, all you do is lift your phone toward the computer so the scanner will read that. And when it does, this is what you'll see. So you see it looks like a scanner. And then when you scan it, this is what your Telegram will look like on your home phone. And then on your computer, it looks like this. Now, on your computer, you may only have one or two chats going on. I've been in Telegram for a long time, so a lot of people are talking to me and showing me things all the time. But you're looking for the Z-Bucks family. That's your group, the Z-Bucks family for Telegram. So all you want to do is click on that link, and there you are. I hope this helped. So thank you very much for joining. Bye-bye for now.